FX Nation, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about something that I think it's something that's not talked about enough in trading. And everybody wants to always, of course, learn a strategy, make money, and live happily ever after, right? And that's our wish for long term, okay? But there are certain things that you need to do on a daily basis in order for you to be successful, especially if you are trying to make this a full-time thing that you do. If you're trying to make this a full-time living, where you don't have to work anymore and things of that nature, there are just certain things that separate the people that do this full time and the people that want to do it full time. Okay. And so what we're going to do, and we're going to go ahead and continue on a Forex series, and we're going to talk about a trading journal. Okay. So many of you probably have heard of a trading journal. Some probably have not. So let's go ahead and talk about what is a trading journal. So a trading journal is basically a document. It could be a notepad, an Excel spreadsheet. It could be software, anything that you use to essentially record every single trade that you take. Okay. So that is what a trading journal is. It could be anything. It could be a piece of paper. It could be a tablet, a notes on your phone or on your iPad. So anything that where you write down and record all of your single trades that you take on a daily basis. Okay. Now, the question is, why do you need one? All right. So you need one because in order to improve and actually find your mistakes and find your flaws, wouldn't you want to have data that shows you where you're going wrong? Like, wouldn't it be nice to know exactly what areas of your trading you need improvement on? Okay, because if you think that you can just get a strategy and just trade the strategy and make all the money in the world, you're wrong. Because you always need to improve yourself. You never know absolutely everything about trading. Okay, I learn stuff every day, and I've been doing this for 9.5 years. So, if I'm continuously learning, I'm sure everybody else, that has been doing it for 25 years is always continuously learning, because the day that you stop learning is the day become irrelevant, So you need one to get the data of every trade that you make. All right. With that data, you'll be able to see what mistakes you're making in the market. All right. So that's why you need one. Now, what should you record on it? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is there's a couple of points that I think are crucial for you to record on your your trading journal. Okay. So the date, the time, the pair, whether you're going long or short, your entry, your stop, your target, your risk, or position size that you're giving up, the time frame that you took the trade on, price control, like who has control of price, and then ask yourself some questions like, how do you feel about this trade? How do I feel in general? Are you in a correct frame of mind to trade? These are all questions that you can ask yourself before taking a trade. And you'd be very surprised to know how collecting this data over time can help you improve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a template that I've made for you guys that you can use to record all of your trades on. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull that up and we'll go ahead and go over it. All right, guys, so here is a template that I made for you guys. Okay, and here is a couple of trade examples that I put in here for you so you can see what it would look like filled out. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in here so you can kind of see. So we have the date, the time, the pair that we're trading, whether we're going long or short, our entry, our stop, our target, the risk that we're putting on our position, the time frame that we're taking the trade on, price control, so who has control of price, and then how do you feel about this trade? So do you feel confident, neutral, not confident? By the way, you should never take a trade if you're feeling not confident about it, but this will definitely help you out. How do you feel in general? Are you happy, bored, tired, sad, and then are you in the correct frame of mind to trade? Okay, yes, no, unsure. All right, so this is a very good, simple, easy trading journal that I created for you guys that you can use. Okay, and it's all on a Excel spreadsheet, so it goes on. There's pages galore, about 12 pages. So you got plenty of data that you can put in here for a long time. Okay, so this is going to be for you guys. All right. Next question is, where can you get it? All right, I'm going to show you that next. All right, guys. So where can you get it? If you go over to our website, fxntrading.com, and if you're already a member, you just click on members. And once that page loads, you'll see right here, you'll have access to the trading journal right here. So once you click on it, it'll just download it onto your computer, and then you can open it. Okay? So that's where you get it. If you're not a member yet, just go to member sign up, and then just sign up to be a free member. Just sign up to be a free member, hit subscribe, and then you'll go ahead and get an email with the password to get into the members section. Okay? And you'll also get a link to join our chat as well. Okay? So that's how simple it is to get access to the trading journal. All right? Very simple. Go to fxntrading.com, and if you're already a member, go to members. If you're not, then go to member sign up and sign up for a free member. Okay? That's how. All right, guys. So now let's talk about what are you actually going to learn from it. Okay? A couple things that I have learned over the years by using a trading journal, okay, is number one, I found out what times I trade the best. So after collecting all the data, I found that most of my wins are coming in London session. Most of my losses were coming in the US session. So what did I do? I cut out the US session and only traded London session. Okay, so this is why I trade only London session. I rarely trade the US session because I know that most of my losses were coming from the US session based on the data that I collected over the trading journal. Okay? Also learned that whenever I didn't feel confident in the trade, I lost the trade. So guess what I don't do anymore? If I'm not confident in the trade, I don't take the trade. Okay? So think of this journal as like a checklist, right? And as soon as you have all the data for it first, okay, once you collect all the data, let's say over 100 trades or so, you'll have a pretty good idea as to what works and what doesn't work. And so you can go ahead and use it as a checklist as knowing like, hey, you know what? If I'm not unsure, I'm not going to take the trade. Or if I'm not confident, then I'm not going to take the trade. These are just extra things that you can do to essentially protect yourself, okay, in order to make sure that every trade that you take is a profitable trade. Remember that you're here to trade and make money. You're not here to give money away to a broker or to a bank. Okay? You're here to make money. You're not here to give it away. All right? And the more that you can do to protect yourself from giving money away, the better it's going to be for you, for your family, and the more money you're going to make. All right? So if you haven't become a member, again, just go to fxntrading.com, go to member sign up, first, last name, email, subscribe, get your email for your password. You'll have a link also to the chat, and then boom, get access to the trading journal so you can have it. All right? Use it every single trade. Use it every single trade. Record about 100 to 150 trades on it, and then start looking at it, and then see, did I win? Did I lose? Did I win? Did I lose? Okay, all the winners that I had, what did I do? What was concise about, what was consistent about the trading journal when I look at all my winners versus all my losses? And you'll be amazed at what you find on it. Okay? So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to view the video, and please drop a comment below this video. Let me know if you've ever used a trading journal before and what kind of results have you gotten from using one. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great one, guys. Guys, one last thing, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntrading.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.